Each day, the vision for the Robeson Career and Technical Education Center becomes more of a reality. Crews are hard at work on site of the nearly 110,000 square foot facility as construction moves steadily toward an anticipated August opening. Inside the building, final graphics are being installed, equipment is arriving, and classrooms and labs are taking shape. Outside work continues on parking areas and site improvements. Training is also underway for the Robeson Planetarium and Science Center's state-of-the-art projection system, with specialists traveling from Japan to help prepare the technology for students and visitors. Once completed, Robeson CTEC will offer hands-on training in high-demand career fields including Automotive Technology, Welding, Drone Technology, Culinary Arts, Computer Engineering, Network Engineering, EMT, Carpentry, Electrical Systems, Plumbing, Masonry, Mechatronics, Drafting Engineering, and Graphic and Webpage Design. More than just a building, Robeson CTEC represents an investment in the future workforce of Robeson County, providing students with real-world skills, industry credentials, and pathways to high-wage, high-demand careers. As anticipation continues to build, we look forward to welcoming students, staff, and industry partners and the community through these doors soon. Robeson CTEC stands as a powerful symbol of what's possible when we invest in our students, our workforce, and the future of Robeson County. Future Ready Robeson, building tomorrow's workforce today.